Hi guys, welcome back. In this Laravel 5.8 video tutorial, we are going to learn about the Laravel localization. Okay, so first question is, what is the Laravel localization? When you make a website and you want to publish it in the global level. So let's say your language, you make it English, but your visitor also from the Russia, from the Italy, from the France, and from the India, from the various country, so they cannot read your content because they have the another language, they have the another local language. So how they can read your content? So for resolve this problem, we use the localization and we will implement it. Okay, so now let's get started with that. Okay, so first of all, I need to make a page. So we will play only with the static content. We are not going to put the database content like this. Okay, so the purpose of this video to understand the full understanding of the localization. So that I'm going to make a new page inside the views folder. View folder is where your all view templates are presenting. So just I make the page dot blade .php. Okay, so just first of all I just simply put here such as welcome everyone. Okay, so now I'm going to put the route for this. So just copy and paste for the quick page and just load the page. Put the page here. You got this, welcome everyone. Now I want to put one more language such as Hindi for now. Okay, so just go inside the resource folder. Inside you will find a lang folder, and inside the lang you will find en folder. That simply means English. So for the localization I need to make another folder inside the lang, which is hi. So I can make the any name of my folder, but for exact indentation, so that you can guess from the name, we can just put the starting name like hi. Nice. And inside this I'm going to make file msg.php. okay, and same file I'm going to put inside the en also. So just put the msg.php. good, fine. So now just write here a simple PHP code like PHP and return a array from here. Return like welcome. Okay, so in the welcome what we are going to do, hi all. Just make welcome everyone. Just okay. So with the same text I have to put it inside the another message file which is placed in the hi folder. Just put here the same. So just copy here and paste here, but after the message the text should be in the exact language that you want to show. So let's say I want to show in the Hindi, so just copy it and use the Google translation for now. So I'm going to just put the text here, okay, inside the HIN folder. Let's say you have another one language, then you can put the same file name with the same message key and with your different text content. All right, now let's play with the two file. Okay, so now just go to the blade.php and here you can simply write __ and here you can just write the file name, which is the msg.message name. Let's say welcome. Nice. and let's see, is it working? No, it's not working. Let me find the reason why it's not working. MSC file. I think we have to let's see, just give me a moment, I'll be right back here. Yep, I got the problem because I just didn't put the double curly brackets here. This is a blade template, that's my bad. Okay, so now you can see that welcome everyone. So we get the data from this file to here. Okay, now we want to check that how we can get this one also. So just go to the your config folder, and inside the config folder just go to the app.php, and here just change the one line hi, and you will refresh it, and you will see that you got the Hindi language here. So that simply mean that with a one keyword you can change the language according to the specific region or specific country. Okay, so now one more thing, that if you want to put by the user that user want to learn, user want to select the language, then how you can select this. For this there is also very simple method. Just go to you can take from the input from the user. Let's say you want to take the input from here like hi. So how you can do that? For that there's also simple thing, just go to the router and just check the get method, and here you can put the URL like page, and here you can simply write lang. We will get this variable from the URL, and the second parameter just check the function, and inside it just return view. Okay, and the view just put the page name, which is the page, and just get the lang variable or whatever you want to put the name of this variable is from here. So now after getting this, you have to just add one line like app set locale, and the set locale just you can write here the $lang. Okay, so you are able to get from it your user. Let's see, now you can see that you get the from the user with the Hindi language in a file. If just I put here en, then you will see that we got the English language. Okay, so it's very simple. So as with this, you can put the another key that you want to put, like if you want to put some another key, then this is also easy. Here you can put as much as you do. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of suggestion, don't forget to put in the comment box. And if you have any question, query, anything that you want to share with us, then you can put it inside the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.